How to patent 3D printing innovations in musical instruments. Role of 3D printing in musical instruments. 3D printing enables intricate designs, customization of acoustics, and cost-effective production of unique musical instruments. Patentable aspects include innovative designs, enhanced acoustics, new materials, and novel manufacturing techniques. Patent challenges include proving novelty, navigating prior art, and balancing traditional craftsmanship with modern printing technologies. Patenting strategies include emphasizing functional improvements, filing provisional patents, collaborating with experts, and targeting regions with growing 3D printing use. Future trends include smart instruments, sustainable materials, and the integration of AI for design optimization and enhanced performance. Collaborating with patent attorneys helps draft strong claims, file patents globally, and navigate existing instrument-related IP. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.